Good morning students, welcome you all to this session. Today's class we are going to discuss our new topic, common factors and common multiples. You can take page number 58 in your NCERT textbook. You can refer the textbook for the topic. Okay children? Now we are going to start with a new concept called common factors and common multiples. Okay, what is the topic? Common factors and common multiples. We have already dealt with factors and multiples. Yes, in your previous exercises we have dealt with what is meant by factors and multiples. Is it? Just recall that concept. Factors means what? It is an exact divisor of a number, particular number. Multiples means what? The answer which you will get by multiplying two numbers is called as multiples. Okay, do you remember this? Yes. Now we are going to deal with common factors and common multiples. Okay. Before going to the common factors, you should know what is meant by common. So what is meant by factors, right? So now shall we find the common factors of 4 and 6. Okay, shall we find the common factors of 4 and 6? Yes. First, before going to the common factors, you should know what is factors. So what are the factors of 4? 1, 2, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 4. What is the factors of 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, no, 5, 6. Okay, these are the factors of 4, these are the factors of 6. Always factors are finite. It has a starting point and an ending point. Starting point and an ending point. So factors are finite. So common factors is also finite. Okay children. So what does it mean by common factors? The factors common between those two numbers. This is one number, this is one number. So what are the factors common for both? 1 and 2. So what is the common factor of 4 and 6? 4 and 6 is? 4 and 6 are 1, 2. That's all. It has a starting point and only it has two common factors children. Other than this, there is no extra common factors. You should keep this in your mind. Okay. Common factors now what? First you should find the factors of an individual number. Factors how you will write? You will put commas and write. You should not put into and write. You should put commas 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 6, like that. 6, that's all. Okay. Then you should circle it in pencil. What is the common factors between these two? 1 and 2. Is there anything common other than this? No. So what are the common factors of 4 and 6? 1, 2. Okay. Next. Common multiples of 4 and 6. Now we are going to find the common multiples of 4 and 6. Multiples means what? Answer, right? So now before going to find the common multiples, you are going to find the multiples of 4. Multiples of 4 are how, what and all? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, etc. Okay, because multiples are infinite. It has a starting point and has no end point. Next. Multiples of 6 are 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6 are 36, etc. Okay, 6 1s are 12. Then I have written the multiples of 6. That also etc. because multiples are infinite. That you know, right? Now, what is the common multiples of 4 and 6? 12, is it? Yes. Next, 24. Other than this also you will have. Only till this we have wrote. So I have found only two common multiple. Sometimes, so now what are the common multiples? Common multiples of 4 and 6 are 12, 24, etc. because this is infinite, this is infinite. So common multiple is also infinite. Okay, it is here, but it is finite. Here you should put commas. Okay, but sometimes they will ask you the question, find the first 5 common multiples. Like that, if they ask you, you should find 5 common multiples and you should put a full stop. You should not put etc. because they just ask you only 5. So they have asked only 5. So only 5 common multiples you can write and you can stop it. When you do the problems, more problems, you will get a clear idea about it. Okay, next, there is a concept called common co-prime numbers. We have already dealt with co-prime numbers. Do you remember? Again, I'll teach you. Okay, co-prime numbers. Two numbers having common factor as only 1. Okay, common factor only 1 is there, means then the two numbers are called as co-prime numbers. So what are the factors of 4? 1, 2, 4. What are the factors of 5? 1, 5. Okay, what are the common factors of 4 and 5? Only 1. Okay, so 4, 5 are co-prime. Okay, it need not be a prime number, even it can be two composite number also, no problem, but the common factor should be only 1. Two numbers, any number, it can be prime number or composite number, no problem, but two numbers, if the common factor is 1, then they said that two numbers as co-prime numbers. So this is what the main definition given there. Okay children. Next, we are going to deal with our example problem. You can take page number 59 in your textbook. Example 5. Find the common factors of 75, 60 and 210. Okay, we are going to find the common factors of those numbers. So what you will do? First you should find the factors of 75, factors of 60 and factors of 210. Okay, now shall we find that? Factors of 75 are, shall we start? 1 table, 2 table, no. 3 table, 4th table, no. 5th table, 6th will it comes in 6th table? No. 7, no. 8, no. 9, no. 10, no. 11, no. 12, no. 13, no. 14, no. 15, yes, 15 it will come. Then you can say then all the in between tables it won't be coming. Next 25th table. Then last is your 75th table. You can check and see children. 175 is 75. 325 is 75. 515 is 75. Like this, some pair should be there. Easiest way for large numbers. 175 is 75. 3 into 25 is what? 75. 5 into 15 is what? 75. Like this, every pairs are coming or not, you can check and see. Okay, that's all the factors of 75. Factors of 60 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 tens are 60. Then 12 5s are 60. Next, in terms of 4, 15 4s are 60. Next, in terms of 3, 33s are 50. So now listen, 1 into 60, you will write 60. 2 table, 3rd table, 4th table, 5th table, 6th table. 6 into 10, 60. 5 into 12, 60. Next, 4 into 15, 60. Okay, va? So now next in 30th table, 30 into 2, 60. Okay, next 60 into 1, 16. Okay, like that you can find it. Okay, in 3rd table, is there any possibility? 3 into 20. 20 will also come children. Okay, 3 into 20, 60. Okay, that's all. Check once. 1 into 60, 2 into 30, 3 into 20, 4 into 15, 5 into 12, 6 into 10. That's all. Okay. Now, factors of 210 are, what are the factors of 210? 1, 2, 3, fourth table, no, 5, 6, wait, 6, yes, 6th will come, 7, 10, then 14, 15th table will come, yes, 21st table will come, yes, 30th table, 35th table, 42th table, 70th table, 105 table, 210 table. This, listen, how I have found out this, I'll explain you. 1 into 210, 2 into 105, 3 into 70, 5 into 42, 6 into 35, 7 into 30, 10 into 21, 15 into 14. Okay, like this only you should find it. Okay, so first one half thing you can find it. Then by using this values you can find the next terms. Okay, next find the common factors. Listen, there are 3 numbers. So if a number common in all the 3 only, it is a common factors. 1 is common in all the 3. So common factors shall we find? 1, 3, 5, 5, yes, 5. Next, 15, yes, 15, 25, no, 75, no, that's all. These are the common factors. You can keep a full stop at last because till this it ends, because common factors are finite. Okay, listen children, by first, second, the small tables and all you can itself write it. By using the small table you can find this backside ones also. Understood? Next is your example number 6. Find the common multiple of 3, 4, 9. See, multiple means what? It is infinite. Okay. So, what is the multiple of 3? 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6 are 18, 3 7s are 21. Like that, you can write and put an etc. Okay. Next, fourth table. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, etc. Okay. Next, ninth table. 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45, 9 6 are 54. Like that, you can put an etc. and write. Now, what is the common multiple of all the 3? Can you find anything, any common numbers? Is there any common thing? Listen, one by one you can check it. Okay. So you can bring this. Is there any common thing here in all the 3? 3, 4, 6, 8. 36 is common, these two. Yes, here also 36 will come. 3 3 is 33, 36. So 36, 36, 36. So what is the first common multiple? 36. After that, something after this will be there. So you should write more numbers here. Here also you should write more numbers. Here also you should write more numbers. Then you should combine all the 3. Okay. Listen children, if I consider 2 numbers, only it comes in 2 times. Here 24 and 24, it comes in only 2 numbers. It is not coming in this number. So it is very hard. Okay. So what you are doing is write some more common multiples in all the 3 and you find the common thing for all the 3. Here 36 has come now, likewise next number will come. So that is what the common multiples of these 3 numbers. Okay, so that we should write more multiples in all the numbers. Okay children, now we are going to discuss our exercise problem, exercise 3.4. Okay, find the common factors of 20 and 28. See, in example problem it was somewhat difficult, but exercise problem is very easy. Okay, it will be very easy for us to find the factors and common factors. Okay, don't worry. Okay, first what we are going to find the common factors of 20 and 28. So before going to common factors, what you should find? You should find the factors of 20 and 28. Okay. Just I am going to find the factors. Factors of 20 are, what are the factors? 1, 2, 3 table? No. 4th table? 5th table? 6th table? No. 7th? No. 8? No. 9? No. 10. Okay, then 20th table. Listen, why I am saying then 20th table na? 1, 2, 4 and all easy. 4 5s are, up 5th table will come. Okay, up next, after 5, 2 10s are 20. 1 20s are 20. Like this you should find the factors. Okay. Factors of 28 are, now shall we start? 1, 2, 3rd table? No. 4th table? Yes. 5th? No. 6th? No. 7th? Yes. 7 4s are 28. Is it? 7 4s are 28. Next what you will write? 14 into 2? 28, right? Upper 2 into 14. Listen. 14 into 2 is 28. So 2 into 14 you will write. Then 1 into 28, that's all. You should keep full stop because factors are finite. Now shall we find the common factors of 20 and 28? What are the common factors of 20 and 28? You can take a pencil and you can circle it. Okay. 1, 2, 4. Is there any common factors? No. So what you will write? 1, 2, and 4 are the common factors. Understood how to write it? Next is your B question. 15 and 25. What you will do? You will find the factors of 15. Factors of 15 are 1, 2, no, 3, 4 no, 5, then 15. Listen, because 5 3s are 15, 1 5s are 15. Next, factors of 25 are 1, 2 no, 3 no, 4 no, 5 5s are 25. Appa 5 one time it's enough. Then 25. Listen, 1, 5, 25. Those are the factors of 25. Now, what is the common factors of 15 and 25? 1, 5. What are the common factors? 1 and 5. So, shall I write? Common factors of 15 and 25 are 1 and 5. Okay, understood? 1 and 5, just writing the answers, that's all. Now 35 and 50, C question. D question is your homework. Okay, factors of 35 are 1, 3rd table it will come? No. 4th table? No. 5th table? 7th table? 7 5s are 35. Next, 35th table, that's all. 1, 5, 7, 35. Listen, 7 5s are 35. 1 into 35, 35. Now, next, factors of 50 are. Now, shall we find the factors of 50? 1, 2, 3rd table, will it come? No. 4th table? No. 5th table? 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th table? Yes. 10 5s are 50. Next, 25 into 2, 50. Next, 50 into 1, 50. Listen, like this only you should find. 1, 2, 3 we have found by counting. Whether it comes in first table or second table or like that, you will write it. Then it is easy. 10 into 5, 50. 2 into 25, 50. 1 into 50, 50. Like this you should find it. What are the common factors? Common factors of 35 and 50 are, we are going to find the common factors. Now, shall we circle it? 1, 5. Is there any other thing? 1, 5. That's all, right? So now 1 and 5 are the common factors of 35 and 50. Understood, children, how to write it? Second problem, we are going to discuss the second problem. Find the common factors of 4, 8 and 12. 4, 8 and 12. So there are 3 numbers. So we are going to find the common factor for all the 3 numbers. What is the factors of 4? 1, 2, 4. Okay, what are the factors of 4? 1, 2 and 4. Factors of 8? 1, 2, 4, 8. 1, 2, 4. It don't comes in 5th table, 6th table, 7th table. It comes in 8th table. That's all, no? Factors of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4th table, 5th no, 6th table, 7th table no, 8th table, 9th table, 10th table, 11th table, 12th table. Listen now, 4 3s are 12, 6 2s are 12, 12 1s are 12. Did you understand how it is written? Yes, now shall we find the common factors? Common factors of 4, 8 and 12 are, now shall we find it? Yes, take a pencil. 1, 2, 4. Listen, these 3 numbers are common in all the 3 numbers. If 2 is common in these 2 alone, you should not take it. You should take only if it is common in all the 3 numbers. 1, 2 and 4. So what are the answers? 1, 2 and 4 are the factors of 4, 8 and 12. Okay, understood? So this is how you should find the common factors. Okay, just finding the factors separately. In that which is common, you should take it. B question is your homework. Okay, children? Today's class, we have discussed what is meant by factors and common factors, and what is meant by multiples and common multiples. And we have discussed exercise 3.4. And we have dealt with few problems, and I have given few problems as homework. I hope you all understood, children. Thank you.